Hello friends, see what I did for 2 days and lost so much of my belly fat. Like I lost a lot of calories, got my body in shape and very healthy as well. This is a very amazing food replacement that will boost your metabolism, support your digestion, improve your overall health and help you lose the fats out of your system and get your body in shape. So the first thing you need to do is to get 1.5 cup of oats. Sorry, we are making some oat milk out of these that is rich protein to help you break down hardened food stored up in your system. You know, protein helps you with digestion, your gut health, and the protein from oat milk is just wonderful. So what you want to do is to soak that for like 2 hours, and once you soak, you strain the water, put the oat in your blender, and add in 2 cups of water. So that is 2 cups of fresh water. You can add in a little bit of honey for taste, depending on you. Or yeah, so because honey is good as well, it cleanses the tummy, but it is optional if you don't have honey at home. I equally add in some vanilla for flavor. Like doing it this way, this tastes good. This is a very good, healthy milk, protein milk you want to fall in love with. So once you blend, you want to get your strainer, strain out the milk. This is one of the healthiest milk you can ever think of. This is protein milk from oats because oat is a rich form of protein, and you know what protein does to the system. It helps you with your digestion, your gut health, improves fat burning, and so this is the milk you just want to store up for your use, and I'll share with you how to go about it. So now let's get into the recipe. Once you get your milk and set aside, you want to get one orange. Yes, oranges are very good because they help your system to break down food stored up, causing your belly so big and constipated. That is why when you drink a glass of orange juice, it supports fast digestion and food breakdown. You easily visit your restroom and pass out all the bad stuffs and relieve yourself instantly. That is the main benefit of oranges for your digestion, gut health, so you can easily pass out things in your tummy so they don't store up, causing belly fat and weight gain. That is just a secret, and watch the magic happen. So this is one orange. You want to wash, peel, and slice up, and I'll share with you the next thing to do. These are equally very good source of vitamin C, antioxidants for the system, and you know all the benefit, the vitamins you need for the proper functioning of your system. So the next thing you want to add in here is cinnamon. Yeah, this is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder equally helps to improve digestion, your gut health, help your system to break down food stored up as well, cleanses your tummy, gives your tummy a thorough clean up, like all the bad stuffs will be out and your tummy will be relieved. Before you know, that tummy is flat and like before. So this is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder you want to measure and set that aside. It brings in a very beautiful flavor in here as well, you will love. The next thing I add as well is some pineapple. Yes, pineapples, most especially the middle part of the pineapple, contains this enzyme bromelain, which helps to facilitate fast fat breakdown, boost your metabolism, improve your gut health, digestion, so your system is easily like active to burn fat and break down whatever you eat, so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So this will activate your system to burn fat super fast. Yeah, so this is pineapple. Get your one pineapple, divide in 3 portions, and get just one of it. So that is 1/3 of a pineapple, a cup of pineapple if you are measuring in a cup. So the next thing I add is some ginger. This is thermogenic. Ginger is thermogenic. It heats up your system and activates your system to burn fat super fast. It has anti-inflammatory properties as well to get rid of gases in your tummy, making your tummy big and bloated. Gets rid of all the bad stuffs, toxins, waste build up, and you burn your fat super fast. So this is a thumb size of ginger. Now you want to measure your milk. Yeah, you want to measure a cup of milk. So this is 1 cup of the oatmeal we made at the beginning. So I make my milk at home, oatmeal, milk. All my milks I make at home. So that is the 1 cup of oat milk. You want to put your ingredients in the blender. The orange, pineapple. As you can see, these are only fat burning ingredients in here. Ingredients that will boost your system to burn fat. Plus this protein from oat milk. Protein, research about protein. Protein helps your system to, like, it improves your gut health to break down food you eat easily. Break down food stored up, waste in your system. Before you know, everything is all passed out and your belly fat is gone. So this is it. Once you blend, serve up. This is health in a glass. This will improve your gut health to burn all the bad fats in your system. Food build up in your system. Your system was not able to break down. This will help you break down everything, pass out and get your body all nice and in shape. Trust me, this is day one. This is what you drink on day one as your meal replacement, and I'll share with you day two. So this is day one, and this is what you're drinking on day two. So this is something you sacrifice for 2 days to help your system burn fat super fast. So this is day two. The first thing you need is some coffee. Yeah, so this is coffee, whichever coffee you have, instant coffee or ground coffee. Just get a tea out of this. Yeah, that is what we'll be using as the liquid. So just watch so you don't miss any of the steps. So what you want to do is to measure some coffee. This is a teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of coffee. Yeah. The next thing you want to do is to get a cup, and we want to get a tea out of this as the liquid for our recipe, because coffee helps to activate the system. It wakes up the system to burn fat. Like, it alerts your system, gives your system energy to burn fat. That is why when you drink coffee, you tend to be so active. That is how it activates your system to burn fat. So that is 1 cup of water I added in the coffee and set aside to cool down, infuse while I work on the other ingredients. So the next thing you want to get is some lemon. Yeah, for the citric acid in lemon. Just lemon and coffee, do you know, helps your system to burn fat really fast. Just these 2 ingredients, coffee and lemon. Plus I'll be adding just 2 more ingredients to make it even more powerful, because the citric acid in lemon helps your system to break down stubborn fats and equally prevents fat accumulation in your system. That is why lemons are so powerful. So once you squeeze out the juice from your 1 lemon, this is it. The juice from 1 lemon, you want to set that aside. And the next thing I add is orange. The first recipe I used some orange, second recipe orange. That is to tell you how orange helps your tummy to break down food stored up, causing that belly fat, relieves your system of constipation, bloating, making your tummy looking big all the time. If you know that orange, just a glass of orange will relieve your tummy, and you instantly feel that big constipated belly gone. So oranges are very powerful. So what you want to do is to get your orange peel, slice up, and I'll share with you how to go about this. Yeah. So these are equally loaded with a lot of vitamin C. Don't forget, this is healthy food. You want to lose your fat the healthy way so you don't look cranky and unhealthy. Do it with healthy foods that will load up nutrients into your system. The next ingredient I use is some cinnamon as well. I used it in the first recipe and the second. That is to tell you, these ingredients, you don't need a lot to lose that fat, but just the right ingredients. Yeah, and cinnamon powder cleanses your tummy, helps your tummy to flush everything all out. Yeah, so you pass out all bad things in your tummy. The next thing I add is some pineapple as well. So this, you want to get your pineapple, divide in 3 to 4 portions, and you need just 1/4 portion of your pineapple, and yeah, not a lot, like a cup. If you're measuring in a cup, you slice in a cup, just a cup of pineapple. Watch the magic happen. This is equally very filling. It boosts your metabolism. You don't feel like eating too much, while helping your system to burn fat. Yeah, most especially that middle part of the pineapple you're eating in there. That enzyme bromelain, which is found in the middle part of the pineapple, supports your system to break down fat like super fast. So this is what you want to do. Just basically peel and slice up. This will leave nutrients into your system: vitamin C, vitamin A lot of vitamins and minerals. You want to burn fat the healthy way. I add in some ginger as well. This second recipe is just like almost like the first recipe. Just the coffee that is in here, and you don't have it in the first recipe. And you know, this, not a lot of money you need, just few ingredients. Use it the right way and watch the magic happen. So this is a thumb size of ginger. You want to peel. Ginger will heat up your system because it is thermogenic and help your system to burn fat super fast. So that is it. Now you want to get your blender. Easy, I told you, right? You want to get your blender, add in the thumb size of ginger. You want to add in your teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You go ahead and add in your orange, one sliced orange. Add in the juice from your one lemon and the pineapple, a quarter size of pineapple. You add in, a cup, 1 cup of sliced pineapple. Add in your blender and add in the coffee tea you made. So it is all infused and cooled down. This is what you use as your liquid, and just watch how this will activate your system. Your system will be so alert. Coffee alerts your system to burn fat, plus the other fat burning ingredients in here. Just watch that magic happen. So once you put your ingredients, you want to get this blended. Blend till it is all nice and smooth. This tastes so good and smells so good. Smells so good. Yeah. So blend, 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 blend. And once you blend, this will give you a cup of rich fat burning smoothie. So you want to transfer everything in your cup, drink it, and watch the magic happen. Once you're doing this recipe, make sure you're drinking a lot of water throughout the day. Drink lots and lots of water with these recipes, and watch how your system will flush fats. Like everything will be all gone and you get your body all nice and in shape. This is one of my recent pictures. In case you don't know me, I am Risa. I share recipes here on how to lose excess fats from your tummy, your body, and get your body all nice and in shape. So go ahead and try these recipes. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.